I know you'll be wondering, how come about that video? How possible? Did you know that you can be able to create your own video? You can be able to produce your own video by yourself without even going to studio using just AI. You can create any scene of your choice, both correct scene, any type of scene by yourself. If you want me to teach you anything, just say it on the comment section. And if I find it so interesting, I'm going to come back and teach you. Let's dive into the matter. First of all, we need to go to our our browser. You see, I recommend you using Chrome, because Chrome is actually the best one for me. So you tap on your Chrome. Once you go in your Chrome, you see, oh, I just finished some video a few minutes ago. So now you go to your video, you go to your search button, you type Google. I want to start afresh. Google, to take you to Google, google.com. You see, now we are already on Google. So now let us go. The next thing you'll be wondering, which type of AI should I use? Which type of company should I use? I don't even have the money. Don't worry, it's actually very simple. We are not going to pay dime for this. So all you have to do is to go to click on your search button and search VO 3. Am I correct? Yep, VO 3. Now you search. You see, they're going to give you so many of them: Open Art AI, Google DeepMind, VO3 AI, Guinea Core. There are so many of them, but the best one you have to click is Google Deep AI. I'm coming. Let me use the arrow to signify the one I am referring to. Okay, you click on this one. Yes, Google Deep AI. Sorry, Google Deep AI. So you click on that one, it will load. So please don't make a mistake to click another one. That is only one you're going to click. So if you have clicked that, you see, let me minimize my camera. Okay, if you have clicked that, you see it's actually going to tell you view our state of the art video generation modem. Try in Gemini. No, don't click on try in Flow. Try in Flow. I'll be using my this thing. Click on this one. Try in Flow. Yes. Want to click on that? Let's click on that and let's see how it goes. You click on that. Very simple. You don't even need to pay anybody. I'm going to tell you how to do all these things yourself. So now the next thing, click on create with flow. Let's click on this, create with flow. Okay, it has loaded. So I also have a project I did. You can see I have on the one I finished project. I have so many of them. So now you have to click on new project. Click on new project. Click on new project. So now it's actually loading. Let's wait. Now it now says type in the prompt. Generate a video with text. Let us minimize. Let's go and create the prompt. So let's prompt and you see what I want to tell you. Now you have to communicate with ChatGPT for it to give you what you are looking for. Exactly what you are looking for. Hi, I need your help. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT wants to do. Okay, of course. What do you want me to do? Okay, generate 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 a let's say a war scene a war scene a war scene for me. about two black Nigerian men fighting. In I'm using Google View 3 to create it. Okay, correct. Now ChatGPT is actually going to give you the prompt. You get me? All you have to do is just to copy. Let's go and copy. We just copy. Now we're done copying, right? Let's minimize and go back to our normal place. You go there, you paste. We are done pasting. Once you have pasted your this thing already, so the next thing you have to do is to click, okay, is to click generate. Like that arrow. Yeah, click on generate. Now it's generating 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's play. It's loading. It's loading. It's very simple. You don't need to pay someone to do this thing for you. Now let's download. You click on this button here. Download. Click on that button. You click on original size. Just click on it once. It will be downloaded by itself. Let's wait and see. Loading. You see, you can see our video has downloaded. You get me? So now let us go and play the video and know how the thing look like. Click on open. Okay, this is the video now. This is actually this video. So let's click the video and know how it is. You see, very simple. Ajimi you are not be watching me now. Ajimi say you know they follow me now. How will you know that this video was being generated with AI? You will never find out. And thank you for watching this video. If you find this video so interesting, please subscribe, share to your friends, and also tell them that Sir Frank Tutor is the best place to be.